and thing. But listen what I come out of this man mouth.
Hold on there. Somebody say them black with the water or stuff.
Listen what Mama Love was saying. This man over there, me they respect him. They lose respect for him. Listen.
I mother love that I taught them something there.
Yes, listen him. Listen him up to say. You hear?
That's why Jay said them train already.
I can't believe a man.
All the one mother love him. His mother just drop out, like him want to lay down side her.
I don't like him.
He want to lay down side her mother.
And the voice, and the man, he not the video.
Yeah, man, he want to lay down side her mother, man. Him skin and scratch him, man.
The man said, if they don't win, okay, that.
Play it again, brother.
You need to share
some people to
share the video. You need to share the video so that we can broadcast.
Play it couple times, brother, make people can take it. Play about 3 times.
Remember. Stop your chatting, don't even have chatting. One just. Not that long. One just. Murder people from a party. We are going to turn the world in a hate. Say we are going to turn the world in a hate. Be a big match, alright? Remember. I tell you now. Stop your chatting, don't even have chatting. One just. Not that long.
The woman at every topic.
One just. Murder people from a party.
I think the police they have to go for the brother there, you know.
That's a threat. That's a threat for the
Yes,
society,
yes. I think there's a threat for this country. I think the police are going to get the boy in the mother love.
Can't
And when
believe
them go for him, if him try not them send him to him maker. Him maker we can go lay down side of his mother.
the man, you want to see him walk without his finger, his gun finger, and them some man want to promote. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. When Platinum one did it shoot, you know.
Remember, say Mark Golding started, you know, and these are the things that we need to point out.
Yeah.
Mark Golding and Dayton Campbell and
Come on, back,
Antarad
Come on, back.
Start it.
Yeah.
And then start push the violence on them political platform. I him say
Platinum one did it shoot, man. I want the police them go for him, you know.
I him say the PNP have to go get wicked on them.
Chose Jamaica, the boy, they are madman, man. Because we buck him pan alive and him come pan Merlin life. And when we call him, I say, oh, man, why you run your mouth me here? Oh, no, man, me not in the politics thing. We are brother and sister, man, and one Jamaica, man. No politics violence and fear the waste, man, they are chat, so now.
I want the police them go for him and visit. And any of them have a pin pan him.
And that's why brother said, that's why brother tell up on life, say, I'm a waste man, I'm a madman, and him give himself be a trouble and him more be a trouble. To him feel like say him have some look a waste man, him have some friend at jungle. Jungle man no want a friend from none of them that look war. No time jungle man no want a friend with no political violence people. So I just have to tell one over one live a while ago, brother there, how much in the 80s, Igla, which part Igla still carrying pipe in the country, pretty?
No, sir.
At the long time bad man them from the 70s, they are foreigners send down them thing them. And when you look at Jim Brown, start the thing make political violence almost done. Cause when the contract them are run between man and man, my father get the subcontract and bring man from outer 2 mile for go collect them pay down at Tivoli Center. Man from 2 Crescent to a PNP go down there. And now man and so come some of them switch. You see me?
Yeah.
So when she have a talk, I make sure I tell them say that woman they are liar because the eagle of them start carry drugs in the 90s and drug mules starting in the 90s because them not have no other way. Them start carry drugs got foreign to and from. You see me, I start a big house because PNP done mash them up already and bring in a thing called TTC, tax compliance.
Yeah.
You go all a want to clear a barrel, you pay how much thousands of dollars for 1 barrel.
That's true, man.
You see me? So when she come run her mouth and attack be foolishness, I make sure I tell them my 2 cents and come off of them live because I be rubbish them over the attack and I not go on a live when nobody attack rubbish and the host can control it. One live with ready there fan. You see me? Soldier did over there and soldier and the woman want to talk over soldier and she just come on and I run when her mouth. You see me? I not go up on them live, you know that not squid anyway. The host can control them live. I not go there, so you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Because PNP only go around to spread them thing. Well, squid to them, I meet the Prime Minister, you know. For a third time, you know, and him shake off my hand up a Vassal place.
Yeah.
You see me? And that was so great.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Well on it. Alright, Squitty, listen even that one, yeah. When Jamaica gone that way, listen this. Them block the road for now, you know. Them have to turn back, you know.
Same boy them that, you know.
No, Squitty. You know where the Damien Crawford and them tell them say, and all of them tell them say, and all one of their mama son, and right man go, oh, Andrew and the Prime Minister, none of them now have no talk over the country, we can't do anything we want to do. Because them now have no talk for lock up nobody. And that narrative them are saying from what they hear.
I turn them have to turn back
Yeah,
mama.
you know, so them are trying to block the road power to them when them realize them to say a big garden people and just Rima people and Maxfield people alone. So them have to move out fast off of the Park Road. Fast, them have to move out and go about them rounds.
What you say?
Because them know say another bike, them say yellow bike, green, them say green bike, them say green bike. And them know say no joke and no drama and there so.
All what the country them do it today.
And we don't run them joke there with no guy.
So what on the park road, the drive can't left in the road too.
Drivers can that them a try though. And we got direct traffic. We got direct traffic.
Why it look like the real soldier them have to go rise up, brother.
Street them a do this thing. I just listen. I just Denham Town and Trench Town, me say, nah deal with no political violence. I me have to give big kudos to Denham Town and Trench Town and Garden. See me? Everybody dance together at Rima today.
Errol, you see, if Mark
You pass through my jungle, what go on up there?
Yeah man, I up them a pass through when me I come back from Vassal, man. Everything good, man. The jungle is them good, man.
if
Marky G pass through today down a 3rd Street, I go down a Boys Town, go nominate, and me I tell you say, Marky G no stop laugh and smile, because I'm shocked. This is so much labor, right? Some of them not even did wake up yet.
Yeah.
And look how it's funny. Nobody ever say Marky G go suck your mama.
The real warrior them have to go rise up, you know. Because soldier and police alone can't manage them.
Nah man, them rise up, man. I told the Prime Minister, I said, boy, we don't know bother with that, man.
Yeah,
no,
but
we can't afford to go back there. So.
But me I tell you this, Quitty, you gotta have PNP and disrespect PNP for this thing, yeah. Me I tell you that.
Because not everybody want this, brother. And every thinking PNP want this. You know?
Quitty, The amount of man from Waterford a call from foreign about Dr. Jaws. The amount of man we a call and say, oh, that for happen.
And the boy they set it training and him started, you know.
That not happen at Portmore Squitty. Because Keith Blake and Wacky Lynch are cousin. The two councils them are cousin. Labour Right and PNP council are cousin.
Portmore is not a place with no political violence, brother.
I be a friend, and when I look, I be a old woman, big woman, long time, fuck out woman, him carry go out there. Where all you have spot on and eat them. And some look at dead cocky man, him carry out there when I have no use. Go give them beer rum and make them out there do that. The young people, them say shower in a Portmore.
Brother, from the man, him draft with Blood and Fire song from the 70s. The man might bring back everything that happened at them time. See? I got the man might bring back, you know, violence, you know, the politics. When them do anything.
And you know the thing about it, Damian Crawford, him there on stage and tell people, say, them a got send Labour Right go prison one by one and them know nothing about. So we have spread them rumor there for?
So one by one, I say go to prison one by one. Go to prison for what? Where man them do for go to prison?
Him a hypocrite to him party, because him help mash up him party. I know him a go on like say, a lot of people a tell pan him party.
Him want to take it over.
So
Him a have them zeal there.
Matt Golding, they
and then just a style of thing to try to take it over. Not go on like him is with them, it's not with them.
Him don't have no money and him can't attract no investors. Because my little brother and him a classmate and my little brother brighter than him by far.
Him a go lose him seat at Lindsay, you know. Him not get no seat, you know.
Them not get no seat. Three of them not get no seat at all. Because the people them not like them and not like say PNP would win if them put somebody else in the seat. But them where them put Dayton Campbell, Peter Stunting and Goatman Crawford, none of them not get no seat. The people them not like them.
Only one I go scrape through people them over so they are and I'll give him a look around. Him one I go scrape through. And Bromberg. Them two they sure.
Listen, squitty them are not some crosses.
People want to match up Jamaica. Them love Jamaica, brother. We see it clear.
Them would even come out and condemn certain things.
Brother, not even one Jamaica flag in man them have on in campaign trail. Not even one. How would have no one aspire to run Jamaica? That will take a mark so the man them is not for Jamaica, brother. Them hungry want money back. And money back them a go have fun.
Now I tell you this, Quitty. You see, if them not know what them are do, you gotta just find things start happen. Things just happen. And then a gunman are gonna do it, a police are gonna do it. Kick off man door and go in a man house when them catch them on camera or on video attack some things.
But the police come visit the boy, the mother love.
I would this rich again.
Nobody not like Mother Love down a Linstead. Nobody not like him down a Linstead. Nobody not like him down a Balaclava. Nobody not like him a Balaclava. Them thing them do. My rumor monger, I instigator why nobody not like him a Balaclava. I make him have left town. I make them shoot him up down there because I'm an instigator.
Police never go for him and beat him night till him talk with Matic them there. Big Matic them. I don't have few more with talk about our people them trained and ready. It's a war. And she a case, you know. It's a war. So she know what go on. She knows so they must strap. And she bite them. Look how far them. Them love Jamaica, brother. And them things make people go vote them out, you know. Them can't win nothing, you know. Not at all them not go win. I mean not stop to that. To all them go on and love the country. People say them don't love the country.
Them not win.
The country.
They not win. I know.
You get a local chance to Jamaica, them would do with Jamaica.
I know more talk.
Be aware them with a star.
Money. Mash up every end of yard.
Me I tell you something, you see if them for win any given day, Jamaica got turn in a civil war.
Of course.
And police and soldiers go overthrow them government. I tell you that. Because you see, if them are going to talk about them are going to bring in gunmen to come run things, police and soldiers now going to take that. You see the man up at camp, the woman up at camp, I will send out the armed forces to topple them.
Well, brother, in Ezra, where you come from? Where you come from, Ezra? Where you know?
I which idiot that day?
Where you know, Ezra? Take a kick in your face out of your boot and come off of me thing and sit down. I block you off of this, man. You want to look up Booger Man, both man and bring in Booger Man. Where you know? You know if I went Booger Man in them party?
Because, Gil, still
You know
a touch. And him touch hard, him can't even sit down now and stand up, him foot them. The way he make man grind him can't even stand up now and walk.
They don't know where them things that come from. You remember on the leader? You remember here?
I tell all them about them for vote back in 1993 and see I go say not in this country. Eh?
My people,
not in my cabinet.
Oh. And then Andrea Stevens said, come tell Andrew Wallace about him want to be a part of party. Andrew Wallace said, go over that side.
Yeah, you know over there, you know.
Them can't come to run nobody joke on Labour Party. No day, no time.
Black man for this, man. I don't want them boy.
No day, no time them can't run nobody joke on Labour Party.
Them full of transmission like that. You know where them are go with them nastiness.
people them
Them must see for brother. A lucky thing and you call it short, you know.
You know, so there was a couple of years ago, one of them, his boyfriend stabbed him up in an house. I think I sent him. So remember that one day?
I don't St. Thomas. The Bloomfield I talk about.
Yes, Bloomfield, yeah. Yes, I would Portland. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
And the little boy, them tie up Peter Bunting naked. Because I don't want to give them what they want off and grind them off.
And them have the nerves.
And take away him laptop and him firearm.
Them have the nerves that come to people about that. Them shouldn't do that.
Them not come talk about that. Them not have no authority to talk about that.
And then the pedophile, them have everything went wrong.
Create. Over this of them is they create. From way back when. I reckon every 4 days. You know what them a talk about? And them man and man married and them a send man happy anniversary and the whole of them.
Half of them see them leader how much top hierarchy at the party. At about pick up J. Brian and your anniversary and see the man a suck up man tongue and them something there. When I want to come draw fish guard, which part?
You know see that the crowd, the boy a suck off in Suzubella.
And I talk about said no labor right can't do it better than him.
You see him? Along
Him do it again today. It happened again today.
how are you?
Yeah, it was.
I did one man.
Of course a man. You see a man. You see
I must
picture
look
of
now.
a booger boy.
Me rock stone.
A booger boy a long out tongue and a suck off in Isabella. You see him?
Squitty, even the comrade them, musician them, DJ them a fish.
All of them.
You ever hear about no labor right DJ where a fish?
All of them from Big Belly man go right down.
No, sir, me shock.
You know, long Patrick Roberts breed him and him can't have pitney.
I ain't the five man. They come out here for your picnic. Yeah, man. They can't come talk about them they sitting there, brother. They can't come talk about them they sitting there.
Some white say it's a woman.
In fact, that woman there, would I really want to say in a real life it's a woman that. That a woman?
Yes, someone say, yeah, him say it's a woman.
Let me not see a picture, unless me can't see.
Me did think, what?
Head tie up in a band and all kind of thing. Unless me can see.
Jaja God. Listen,
If that a woman is a dyke,
somebody that asked what we don't know what will happen with nationwide. The PNP blacklist them and the debate commission supposed to sort out that. So I guess we have to just wait and see what will come out of it. But either way,
brother, in a communist country, you can't tell no news media to not come at the beat, come out with that.
exactly.
You can't
I'm
do that in a communist country we are on. It's not a communist country we are on, brother. A democratic country, you know, freedom of speech. What do you mean people can't come ask a question? I said they're not going to debate. Who is you know?
But Squitty, Squitty, you see Tufton, Andrew, Bartlett, who else? Kamina Johnson, and Dana Maris Dixon. Maybe them are going to have more, but you know, so them the five are the core of the country. Foreign Affairs, Finance, Favour Williams, Education, the Prime Minister, and the couple more. None of them can walk over them the people in the debate. No PNP.
If we just go on the debate same way, if them want to show them show. And not
Yeah.
them if you ask them the question and them answer them. And go
Yeah. Make Jamaica see them for who they is because
yeah, and show them up.
the best thing they could do is don't go.
They can't black no debate, no journalists, and a
The
Russian.
best thing they could do is not go to that debate. And the best thing they could ever do for the JLP. Because that would have sink them even more. Because then they would have showed Jamaica and say, listen, we're really not ready for this. If there was any doubt in a undecided voter mind, they would have known, say, all right, this is it. Them the people are not ready. Because you put out a manifesto where you're so proud of. Are the best according to them.
Then they should have go debate it.
Exactly.
Question by anybody.
So where you run for? You put out your manifesto and you say 4 years you put it together.
Yeah.
So why problem now? You afraid of the tough question them?
2 years them have put it together and come up with a PMP where JLP
Blessings, everybody, blessings.
Because all of the media house them where they back them down go ask them the tough question them, you know. And nation ask them the tough question them.
Yes, Chip.
Choose Jamaica, them the debate commission already addressed them today. You know, they make them know so them not have no rights or authority for black no journalists and no form of debate.
Oh, the man for them.
Oh,
Yeah.
You have the piece of clip there for play.
Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can find it back.
I mean, know you always shop with them.
See if I can find it back.
Them that want to show up, make them stay, brother.
I waste of time anyway.
When you come, the Prime Minister thief. Where the Prime Minister thief? No can't talk.
I saw me a chat to a boy up here over there and him did a work on the ship, but them take him off of the ship now have him on the key of work. I asked him if him now go down go vote for Jamaica. Boy, I tell me say him now no time for that. So I say, brother, I say what Andrew do for the country. Oh, Andrew a thief. Andrew a thief, he does him can't declare him asset. That's which asset. You know,
Sister, let me just wake up.
Integrity Commission done declare say I hate bank account the man have all around it that talk about. Him start talk about offshore account
But
and
you know,
all
you
type of
will
shit.
see now. You know, you are where I see them now.
Hold on, the see article here. The Press Association of Jamaica, PAJ, is condemning what it says is political interference and politicization of journalists in the national debate panel selection. In a statement, the PAJ says it's alarmed at the recent unprecedented public disclosure by both the PNP and the JLP regarding their objection to specific media professionals serving as questionnaires or moderate in the forthcoming national political debate.
PNP come out to the time JLP say that's all. We don't want some of phone of people.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
never
the
tell them.
JLP clap back.
And then JLP come out with nothing. You don't read it?
Yeah.
Read it again, we hear.
The Press Association of Jamaica is condemning what it says is political interference and politicization of journalists in the national debate panel selection. In a statement, the PAJ says it's alarmed at the recent unprecedented public disclosure by both the PNP and the JLP regarding their objections to specific media professionals serving as questionnaires or moderators in the forthcoming national political debate.
Yeah. I wish paper put on that. Greener?
No, nationwide it upon.
Oh, nationwide.
You know, I'm not too go up on Gleaner again, Squitty. Gleaner and Observer PNP company them.
That's right.